Assalamu alaikum friends. I am Muhammad Sufyan and you're watching Information by Sufyan channel. Friends, today we're going to talk about the third biggest ocean in the world, which is known as Indian Ocean. But before starting the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Friends, Indian Ocean, a cradle of cultures, a lifeline of trade, and a keeper of timeless mysteries beneath its restless wave. So let's talk about this ocean in detail. Spanning over 70 million square kilometers, it is the third largest ocean on Earth, bordered by Africa to the west, Asia to the north, Australia to the east, and merging with Southern Ocean to the south. Unlike the Atlantic or Pacific, the Indian Ocean is the warmest of all major oceans, influencing powerful monsoon systems that shapes the climate and agriculture of billions of people. Its water are a lifeline for global trade, carrying nearly 40% of the world's oil shipment through choke points like the Strait of Malacca. For centuries, ancient civilization from Mesopotamia, India, and East Africa navigated these waters, exchanging not just goods but culture, language, and ideas. The Indian Ocean is also home to unique marine life, from the majestic blue whale to rare dugongs, and its coral reefs are among the most biodiverse in the world. Beneath its surface lies a hidden wealth: gold, diamond, and vast reserves of natural gas and oil. Yet it's not without challenges. Piracy, geopolitical tension, and effects of climate change threaten its stability and ecosystem. Perhaps most fascinating is its role as a bridge between worlds. From the legendary spice routes to modern shipping lane, the Indian has always been more than just water. It's a stage for history, power, and survival. Beneath its shimmering waves like stories untold of shipwreck lost to time, of ancient trade winds that once carried explorers into the unknown, and of a living ocean that continues to shape the destiny of a nation. The Indian Ocean is not just part of our planet, it is part of our past, our present, and our future. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon. So let's meet in another video. Allah Hafiz.